Listen to this thunder. Happy Father's Day, Dad. This is a Father's Day video. Happy Father's Day to all the daddies out there. It's raining out this morning. It's Father's Day 2015. I'm enjoying my little nature room. I'm avoiding that shelf right there. I didn't want to get it in the picture, but there it is. Yeah, I got it for the wood. It was nice wood, so anyway. It's raining. Happy Father's Day, Daddy. I love you. Have a great day, Dad. I'll see you in a bit.